motorcycle back ride armrests. Now your back ride won't have to suffer any longer. It's convenient and comfortable for your partner or passenger during long, boring trips. It's also aesthetically pleasing to look at as well. This is how to install it. Let a passenger sit on the motorcycle first and level the armrests accordingly. Mark the holes using the metal plates with a pen and drill a hole outside. Attach the armrests with Allen screws from the inside using an Allen wrench and tighten it appropriately. Link in the description.